So we found the honey in the tree bark. So we're actually collecting the honey. And he says that there's lots here. Um, he just sawed open the tree trunk. And oh wow, look at that. Whoa. Um, yeah. So if you're new to my channel, my name's Natasha. I live in Panama, and my channel is Panama Live Good on a Farm. This is basically where I talk about my life on the farm and living self-sufficient as much as possible and growing my own food. And I am ecstatic that we have honey because I've always wanted to be a beekeeper, but finding it this way is so great when you can find things just, nature is just wonderful. So this will probably inspire me more to have a beekeeping uh, boxes here on the farm. Wow. A little closer. The bees are small. Very cool. Yeah, so I don't use any type of sugar. I use all natural sweetener. So honey is always beneficial. And I also grow stevia leaves as well. All right, so he's going to get the rest of the honey, and we'll see how much we get from the 2 logs. All right, thanks for watching.